Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world of words, letters, and some serious brain power. That's right, it's time to talk about the incredible journey of spelling bee kids. Have you ever watched a spelling bee and just been completely amazed? These young champions stand on stage, under bright lights, and spell words most of us have never even heard of. It's more than just a competition, it's a showcase of dedication, memory, and pure grit. So, how do they do it? Let's break down the magic behind the spelling bee phenomenon. First things first. It's not just about memorizing a list of words. Well, that's a part of it. The real secret weapon for these spelling superstars is understanding the building blocks of language. They learn about etymology, which is the origin of words. Is the word from Latin, Greek, French, or German? Knowing a word's origin gives them powerful clues about how it's spelled. For example, words from Greek often use PH for the F sound, like in philosophy, or CH for the K sound. Like in character, it's like being a word detective, piecing together clues from history to solve the spelling puzzle. They also master roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Think of it like a word-building game. If you know that port means to carry, you can easily figure out words like transport, import, and export. If you know ology means the study of something, you can tackle biology, geology, and psychology. By learning these common parts, they can deconstruct a massive, intimidating word into smaller, manageable pieces. It is an incredible skill that not only helps them in the competition, but also builds a deep understanding of the English language that will last a lifetime. Now, let's talk about the preparation. It is intense. These kids, along with their parents and coaches, put in countless hours of practice. We're talking hours every single day. Their routine involves studying word lists, using flashcards, and taking practice quizzes. They use special software and apps designed to simulate the competition environment. It's a serious commitment, very much like the training an athlete undergoes for a major sporting event. They build mental stamina and learn to stay calm under immense pressure. It's this dedication that transforms them from good spellers into spelling champions. They sacrifice playtime and hobbies to chase their passion. And that level of focus at such a young age is truly inspiring. But what about the competition itself? The moment they step on that stage is electric. You can feel the tension and the excitement in the air. Each speller has their own unique ritual. Some write the word on their hand with their finger. Some ask for the definition and language of origin. And some close their eyes to visualize the word. These aren't just quirks, they are proven techniques to access the information stored in their brain. Asking for the definition can trigger a memory. And tracing the letters helps them rely on muscle memory. It's a multisensory approach to recall. They have to manage their nerves, block out distractions, and focus entirely on the word given to them. One wrong letter and their journey in that competition is over. The pressure is enormous. So, what can we all learn from these amazing spelling bee kids? It's about more than just spelling. It's a lesson in hard work, perseverance, and the power of knowledge. It shows us that with enough dedication, we can achieve incredible things. It also reminds us how fascinating and complex our language is. Every word has a story, a history, and a structure. So, next time you see a spelling bee on TV, take a moment to appreciate the incredible skill and hard work on display. These young scholars are truly inspiring. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the world of spelling bees. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what's the hardest word you know how to spell. I'd love to see them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Bye.